Hey tubers, how's it going? Make sure you hit that big red subscribe so we can make it to 5,000 subscribers. And don't forget to ring that bell. You'll be notified for some live streams or some random crazy videos. But anyways, what do we have today? Today we have a review. And what are we going to be reviewing? Well, General Mills has released a new cereal. And we're going to be reviewing the Cinna Graham Toast Crunch cereal. It says it's a graham taste, sort of gluten grams, sweetened wheat and corn cereal. I like the little design that they put on there. I like that. All right, but anyways, let's crack it open here. I'm gonna try it dry first, and then we'll try it with the milk. Smells like cinnamon graham crackers. All right. All right, that's what they look like. All right, let's give it a little taste. Yeah, they definitely tastes like a cinnamon graham cracker. All right, let's try it. Let's try it with the milk. All right. Quite interesting. Quite interesting. Actually, when you add the milk, there's not much flavor. There is not much flavor of them at all. Yeah, the milk definitely tastes. The milk definitely takes that flavor out. But however, you still can taste that graham cracker taste. But with the cinnamon wise, not as much. There's not really much of a cinnamon flavor. It's more like a graham. Tastes more like a graham cracker. Overall, I'd have to say these are kind of like a cereal I kind of more would like to eat dry without the milk. Only because the fact is, because when you add the milk, it just takes the flavor out. However, all right. So now it's rating time. And would I ever buy these? Well, You can smell that graham cracker and cinnamon, which that's a plus. I like about that. With taste wise, you can taste that cinnamon and graham cracker with it dry. But the only issue I have is when you add the milk, that's where it takes the cinnamon flavor out. So I'm going to have to take some points off on that. So overall, what would I rate these? I'm going to give these I'll give these an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. And when I buy these, I probably would. But I wouldn't add milk, you know. I just probably just like dump these in the bowl, you know, and just eat them as a dry, not even add the milk. But all right. So overall, there's the review on the Cinna Graham Toast Crunch. As always, I love you guys. You guys are awesome. Thanks for all the support. If you're new to the channel, please hit that big red subscribe button so we can make it to 5,000 subscribers. Don't forget to ring that bell. You'll be notified for more of these videos or some live streams. As always, I love you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. See you guys later. Bye!